This is my feather harvest so far this year. I have 2 peacocks and 2 peahens, and every year the peacocks molt and drop their feathers. They grow new ones. They grow new ones after winter. But this is what I have so far. They are very pretty. I have a white peacock and an India shoulder peacock. And Doodle just stole a feather. Doodle! These are their tail feathers, and it's kind of interesting. The tail feathers don't actually grow where you would think a tail would grow. They actually grow on their back. And then these bigger feathers kind of hold the skinnier feathers up when they do their display. This is my feathers I have so far. The white one still has, I'd say, 1/4 of the tail feathers left yet. The India shoulder is almost done. He's only maybe got 20 little feathers left.